Hey everybody, it's your girl Britt, the owner and operator of Crafts by Britt. Since it's summertime, we decided to switch it up a little bit. We're going to be doing a couple of food reviews and some other fun things outside of just crafting this summer, okay? So today we're going to start off with an excuse Braylon, it's time for a retwist, but we're getting it together. But today we're going to start off with a food review. But before we get started, I just wanted to tell you all one thing that I learned about entrepreneurship. And out of 4 years of being in entrepreneurship, it's amazing because I learned that a big part of entrepreneurship is being able to make a lump sum of money and kind of take time off to spend with your family, with your friends. So if you've been following me, you probably noticed that I haven't been as active since March because mentally I've been restoring myself emotionally. And so that is one true blessing of entrepreneurship. And of course, if you would like to be a part of that blessing and start running your own business, BrittWithTheBlanks.com is our website. And that is where you will find a number of courses for crafters. We do help with Shopify, Dropship, Facebook, and much more, okay? I look forward to seeing y'all in class soon. Braylon, go ahead and tell them what we're reviewing today.
Today we're going to be reviewing MrBeast's chocolate bars.
Show them.
We got all the flavors. We got crunch.
We have
crunch.
Show them the crunch one.
And we have milk chocolate and chocolate sea salt and these.
These are a little bit more vulgar, okay? So we are going to try every flavor. We're going to give a review on it and see how these MrBeast chocolate bars taste. We found MrBeast. Where did we find MrBeast?
On YouTube.
On YouTube, and then I think he's also on TikTok, okay? So we saw these, and we got these bars at, what was that, Albertsons? Yeah, I think it was Albertsons, and they were like $2.50 each. So I told him to just get one of every kind, and we'll try them all, okay? So let's put those down and get one, whichever one you want to try first.
Go with the original.
Okay, so this is the original. This is what the original package looks like. Go ahead and do the honors, B. This is my son, you all, in case you didn't know. So I'm trying to get him kind of camera friendly and incorporate him into the business. Do me a favor, y'all. Like the video, comment the video. He is 11 years old. He'll be 12 soon. And so I'm trying to get him maybe to where he can start his own channel doing taste reviews. Let me see. Let me help you.
It's harder than it looks.
So sorry, y'all. It's a little hard trying to open up the package, okay? All right, so go ahead. We're just going to taste a little bit. We're not going to eat the whole bar on camera. We're going to taste a little bit, and then we're going to pass it on, okay? Now, these were in the refrigerator, too. All right.
It's like dark chocolate. Six out of 10. Not really that good.
I mean, if you like dark chocolate, get this one. If you like dark chocolate, try this one, okay? This is the original MrBeast bar. All right, now let's see. So this is the MrBeast bar crunch, okay? Come on, get in the frame, Braylon. What these kids be eating? What do these kids be eating? I can't even get this open. I wish we had the scissors. Let me see. Do we have any scissors over there? How is this a craft room and I don't have any scissors laying around? Okay. So here, brother, I got it open. All right. So go ahead. Try the crunch piece.
Oh. Tastes pretty normal. 7.
I give it a 10.
Huh?
It's got me feeling, well, I mean, brother, it's got me feeling nostalgic. Y'all know those Mr. Crunch bars that we used to get when we was little, the ones that we really didn't like, but if we was craving candy, we was going to eat it regardless. That's what this one tastes like. It's not necessarily a fun flavor, okay? Now, this one is going to be the milk chocolate. Was that other one the dark chocolate? It had to be.
No, it's just...
Because I can still taste it.
No, for real.
Okay, y'all, make sure y'all like the video, comment the video. We have about 3 more bars to go, with this one being our 3rd one. Like I said, we're going to be doing some things a little different this summer. I really want to be a part of y'all's life, like on a full-time basis. So I understand that, you know, you got to mix it up sometimes between crafting and some other things to, you know, broaden all of our horizons. Now, like I said, this is the milk chocolate bar, and we're going to taste this one. You don't like it?
It's like the chocolate I always get.
It tastes like a,
8.
yeah, I give it an 8. It's some good chocolate. But it tastes like a Hershey's bar without the almonds in it, okay? This is our 4th one.
You got that?
And this is the chocolate sea salt. Let's see how we like this one. Make sure y'all are liking the video, commenting the video.
I do kind of taste some salt. A little. Not that much though. Kind of tastes like the original.
Yeah.
Huh?
I got a tad bit of salt.
Tad.
Tastes like the original. Yeah, the last one, brother. This is the last one. It's the peanut butter flavor. Okay. So now that I've kind of got it in my mouth good and I can taste a little bit, I can taste the sea salt. But it's not super strong.
At all.
Got a hard time opening these things, y'all. Make sure y'all are liking the video, comment the video. Of course, we will continue on with our crafting content, but we are switching it up a little bit to kick off our summer fun. Braylon, he wanted to taste test the MrBeast's bars, so that's what we're doing. This is the peanut butter flavor one.
You don't immediately get the peanut butter. I said you don't immediately get the peanut butter at first. That comes in a little later. There we go. That's a 10 out of 10 for me. That's good.
I told you peanut butter is always good. Okay, y'all. So this is what we tasted. We tasted the peanut butter flavor one, the chocolate sea salt, the milk chocolate, the MrBeast's Crunch, and then also the original chocolate, okay? So, Braylon, what did you think about these chocolates? Would you buy them again?
Probably not, unless I'm craving some chocolate.
Look into the camera. So, would you recommend these to the audience?
Yeah, they're pretty good.
Would you like go out your way to get them?
No, not really.
Okay. All right, y'all. So, Braylon, do you have any closing words?
Hopefully you have a good night or day wherever you at in the world. And, yeah.
All right. So, y'all, once again, this is my 11-year-old. As y'all see, he's almost tall as me. But this is my baby. And so we're trying to get him broken into this social media streets. so that he can start creating his own content and maybe doing more food reviews, okay? So let me know how y'all liked it in the comment section so that we can critique and do a little bit better. I know I wasn't good with the numbers. I'm always indecisive, but my favorite one was the peanut butter flavor one, okay? All right, son. Enjoy. Save me some of the peanut butter one. Okay, everyone. So do we have any questions about sublimation? Any questions about DTF? Any questions about our wholesale and dropship course? Y'all let me know. That is one of our most requested courses of 2022 and 2023, where we show you how you can produce customized products like this without actually printing on them, okay? Now, here's one secret. This course is currently on sale tonight, but it will be ending, okay? This course sale is ending today. On Juneteenth, we will be having something special for you all, but I can't guarantee that this specific course will be on sale, okay? So I urge you all, visit our website, BrittWithTheBlanks.com. I'll put it in the comment section, okay? Okay, so I dropped it in the comment section, but I urge you all to go ahead and go to the website and purchase the course. It is a lifetime access course, and like I said, you do gain access to vendors that will allow you to produce customized products like this one, okay? I hope y'all enjoyed the review. I love you all, and I appreciate you all for tuning in and giving us this opportunity to present to you the MrBeast bars and show you what we thought about the taste. And if nobody else has any questions about sublimation, any questions about running a craft business, then we're going to bring this live video to a close with a positivity session. Like I told y'all, for the past couple of months, I've been taking time off to just get me together mentally, emotionally. Like, how can somebody come and teach others if they aren't mentally and emotionally together themselves? You can't pour from an empty glass, okay? So I urge you all, we all have our downtimes. Take a little time to yourself and then get back to it, but make sure that you have money in reserves. Make sure that you are fully prepared for your break, but do not feel bad about taking some time to yourself, okay? I love y'all. I appreciate y'all, and I hope to see you soon. Peace out.